crisis communications is really important. One of the things that has happened in the last decade, but especially in the last 3 to 5 years, is the rise of social media and public relations. And one of the things that I think is really important is to talk about the implications that social media has on public relations. Every client that I work with believes in their heart of hearts that they need a social media strategy. They believe that their CEO should be Twittering. They believe they need at least one, if not several, Facebook pages. And they believe that they should be blogging. I would say 20% of those clients are right. About 80% of them are wrong. We always look at social media in the context of our client. We have a large client who is a health insurance company. Not real popular right now, haven't been for the last year and a half to 2 years since they became really the villain in the healthcare reform legislation and battle coming out of Washington. And our client was adamant that they wanted a Facebook page, but they wanted to make sure that it was monitored 24 hours a day so that they could remove the negative comments that might come from their Facebook fans, quote unquote. And I looked at them and I said, Facebook is having a dialogue with people. Social media is about communication, two-way communication. If you're not willing to have a dialogue with your consumers, with your publics, with your audiences via social media, then you shouldn't be in social media. And I'm going to talk about some of the pitfalls that we've actually seen in the last year or so. But it is a new way to promote and really give a company a voice. And in many cases, it is very, very effective, but it has to be used in the right way. We still emphasize traditional public relations supported by social media, but not social media as the only way to reach clients. I mean, to reach audiences for clients. Bloggers are very interesting right now because they really are the new journalists, and we have in the last 18 months to 2 years begun a concerted effort for all of our clients to look at how we get their stories told in the blogosphere. It's very important to note, though,